Sustainability is one of the most pressing issues that our society faces both now and in the future. Students who really want to be at the forefront of future innovations and supporting our ever-expanding global population and ensuring that we maintain our environment and try to improve things, sustainability is really the right fit for them. And sustainability really allows students to explore and engage with their passions. Hofstra's graduate sustainability program has the ideal size, small, there's a nice community of students, but there's also individual attention. Hofstra graduate sustainability students can take advantage of a number of impactful and unique research experiences. Hofstra sustainability graduate students have the flexibility to choose from either a thesis or an internship, setting themselves up for their desired career path after earning the master's.
The professors have a really wide range of expertise, which really allows students to explore what's right for them. You do get a lot of individualized attention, as much or as little as you need. There's internships that are available that can be with a business, with the government, or even with parks. One of my favorite parts with this program is the flexibility with the timeline. So you can do it in as little as a year and a half or as long as you need to. So it really allows you to tailor the program to what you're looking for.
Sign up to attend a graduate admission event, connect with an admission dean, or apply for admission. Take the next step and earn your graduate degree at Hofstra.